has been around forever and they have live bands playing here. So they have Hindi music, English music, Bengali music. So whatever you're into, you can come here, listen to a live band, enjoy a great meal. And tonight, I even have a special guest for you guys. So come on. So guys, as I promised, I have a very special guest with me. I've got Usha Uthup with me. I'm so excited to have you on Gotta Do India.
What can I tell you? It's absolutely brilliant being here, because, especially on your show, really. Because if you've got to do India, you've got to do Trinkas and you've got to do Calcutta. There's no way you could have gone away without this, because for me, Trinkas is hallowed ground. It's like a pilgrimage every time I come here, because this is where I started. All the big time happened for me from right here.
So what are the best years for Trinkas in your opinion?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, 68, 69 till about 75 were the best years for Trinkas. And I'm not one of those who says, oh, those were the days, now nothing is good. I think now is where it's really at.
So are we going to see you perform tonight as well?
Anytime. I'm just dying to sing over here. Let me tell you a little secret about this. Lots and lots of secrets about this place. When I started singing over here, this other place at the back, they used to call it the other room. Over there, it was closed when I was singing, and they actually broke down the place because they couldn't hold the crowds.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really wow. And I have to say, like the way y'all say, swag. Okay, so it was amazing. And then when I left from here, they put back the wall. So that's even more wow than anything else.
So we've already ordered some yummy starters and they're here. This chana is absolutely amazing. I've never eaten anything like this in my life.
I'm such a chana freak. I just love chana in any form, but this form is really good.
And we're also having some fish, which is really yummy as well. Want some? That's really good as well. So for our mains, we've got quite an elaborate spread. We've ordered some prawn, some grilled fish, chicken cordon bleu, and a veg ogre. How does that sound?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me one dish, okay? But then it's really one of their flagship.
The best?
Yeah. Really.
All right. I'm going to take your word on that. We're really looking forward to seeing you on the stage tonight.
Yes, absolutely.
Everyone watching is waiting for this more than anything else. They're all here at Trinkas for you.
Yes, as I said, got to do India, got to do Calcutta, and you can't do nothing without got to do Trinkas.
Thank you.
Hi everybody. Namaskar. As all of you know, this is where I started in Kolkata, in Trinkas, right here on Park Street. And it's just fantastic to keep coming back here. Trinkas, we love you. And a big hand for the musicians. Let's start. This is the first song I sang here in Trinkas, 1969. Never know how much I love you. You never know how much I care, Lord. When you touch me, give me fever. Give the fever, but so hard to bury. Give me fever. Kolkata loves Usha, yes. Usha, she gonna do the same. When they put their arms around me, I said, hey, Kolkata tomake bhalobashi, ray, when you talk to me, baby, gonna treat me right. No dance now. Era porque yo solo te encontré. Llega hoy, de repente, y da sentido a todo lo que quieres. No me escuchas, no me llamas. Yo me conté mucho con la señorita. Yo viví, yo ya ni quiero. Pero yo sé que hasta la calle, señorita. Come on! Distance in lane. White nanga. Only once you have to say, okay? In Tamil, all you have to do is when you say O-K-A-Y, if you put a W before it becomes Tamil. So say, okay? Okay! Okay! And if I say Seria, you must say Seri. Seria? Seri. Shake her head also. Seria? Seri. See, Shahrazad doing it. Seria? Seri. She shook her head as well. Okay. Wakera? Okay. Distance illem. Moon color. White in I'm showing my fingers. When I'm showing 2 fingers, please sing twice. When I'm showing only 1 finger only, correct. Distance illem. Moon color. Super, mama. Why this color, very color, very color, very good. Why this color, very color, very color, very good. Why this color, very color, very color, very good. Why this color, very color, very color, very good. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful, wonderful time here. Brilliant to be here with all of you.
What a night that was! Thank you so much. That is definitely the funnest night we've had on Gotta Do India, and my viewers are going to agree with that.
Absolutely, got to do it, and we did it.
So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up and comment below and
Thumbs up.
give us more love.
More love, and more music.
Thank you.
Love you.